Alright, I guess we're gonna do a setup for the drone. Day 2 of owning the drone. Yesterday, did crack it along right here and here, had to super glue it. I do have some more frames in on the way, so I'm hoping that day 2 it will survive, but it also cracked along right here and super glued there too. Used to flying in simulators, ended up trying to do a power loop. Did it fine the first time, but the second one, not so much. It full throttle pretty much straight into the ground. Ended up cracking it on the ground, or on the road. But yeah, I got the whole Cetus X Betaflight edition. So it is really cold out today. In the 20s, if I remember it, high 20s though. So got the Beta VR03 goggles. Turning them on. I do got an SD card in here to be able to record my flights as well, to be able to show you guys my flight. Set that off to the side for right now. Turn on the controller too. And then all my pre-charged batteries, I charged them all. I got like in total 16. The Cetus X takes 2 1S batteries to make it a 2S drone. It technically is a 2S drone, but just using the wrong type of batteries, in my opinion. So, I'm just gonna get these in here real quick. Having a bit of, there we go. And then I also did put a custom sound on my drone because this drone is using Blue Jay for its ESC, so I was able to put a custom melody in, and I put in the Pokemon Red and Blue. So now we're gonna take you guys over here. We're gonna set you up to be able to hopefully see my takeoff here.